How to import/export bookings data with WooCommerce Order details, WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hey, welcome to our WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to import and export bookings data from JetBookings along with WooCommerce Order details. Let's get started. First, install and activate the JetEngine, JetBookings, and WooCommerce plugins in your WordPress site. Then, in the booking settings, ensure that you have selected the WooCommerce-based option in the booking mode field. Now, let me show you the product I've created. I have a product called Standard Room under the JetBooking product type. I've added all the necessary information, including guests and attributes. Here, you can see an attribute called Meal Plan, which has a value of breakfast only. I have also filled in the guests fields, created some units for this product, and completed other product fields. Additionally, I have configured the date picker config, custom schedule, and pricing settings. Setting the price at $100. So, this is my product setup. Now, let me show you the attribute I created for this product. I added a new attribute called Meal Plan. Note, when creating an attribute for a JetBooking product type, you must select Booking Service as the attribute type. I have assigned two term values, breakfast only and full board. Now, let's check the Bookings section to see if there are any existing entries. I'll clear all test bookings. Okay, all clear now. Let's see how to prepare a CSV file for importing bookings. In my CSV file, I have included the following booking fields: booking status, related product ID, product unit ID, check-in date, checkout date, user ID, attributes, number of guests, booker's first name, booker's last name, email, phone, order status. Now, let's import this CSV file. Go to the WordPress dashboard and visit the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Upload the prepared CSV file. Keep fresh import selected since we're importing new data. Choose JetBooking as the post type from the drop-down. Map all the JetBooking fields to the corresponding WordPress fields. If the CSV and WordPress field headers match, the plugin will automatically map them. Ensure that critical fields like booking status, product ID, and order details are correctly mapped. Map WooCommerce Order meta fields in the dedicated section. Provide a name to save the mapping template for future use. Click Continue. Configure advanced options like rollback or duplicate handling if needed. For now, I'll just click Import. Wait for the import to complete. Once done, you'll see a pop-up window saying Import completed. You can download the import summary and failed media details. If I open and check the bookings in Edit View, I can see that my 2 booking entries have been imported successfully. Now, let's see how to export bookings data using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Visit the plugin page and switch to the Export tab. Select JetBooking from the Export module list. Click Create New Mapping. Provide a file name for the export. Choose a file type, I'll leave it as CSV. Configure advanced filters, such as exporting data based on a specific JetBooking status. You can also schedule the export, but for now, I'll just click Export. The file will be generated and ready to download. Let's open and view it. You can see that all JetBooking data has been exported successfully. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.